Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Today, I'll share with you a fantastic tip for caring for orchids after their flowers have faded. This method is especially effective in helping weak or wilting orchids recover quickly and thrive again. Many people after buying orchids don't know how to care for them once the flowers have bloomed. Some let the plant gradually wilt, while others discard it, thinking it has no more value. But in reality, this is the most critical time, the moment when the plant needs to be revived to prepare for the next flowering cycle. If cared for properly, the plant will continue to grow healthily and may even bloom more vibrantly than before. The first thing you need to do is check the roots. When the leaves start to wilt, it's likely that the root system has been damaged. Damaged roots lose their ability to absorb water and nutrients from the growing medium. When the roots lose this vital function, the plant gradually weakens, with leaves becoming wrinkled, limp, and lifeless. If you see soft, rotten, or brittle roots, cut them away immediately. Removing damaged roots prevents the spread of fungal diseases and creates favorable conditions for the plant to develop a healthier new root system in the future. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. You can see that this orchid has many damaged roots, which is why the leaves are wilted and wrinkled. After cutting away the damaged roots, you should rinse the entire plant with water. Use clean, not overly cold water, and rinse gently to avoid damaging the remaining roots. This helps remove dirt, bacteria, or fungi still clinging to the roots and stem. After rinsing, let the orchid dry completely before proceeding with the next care steps. To revive the wilting orchid, I use a fresh Aloe Vera leaf. Aloe Vera has natural antibacterial properties, provides moisture, and contains nutrients that stimulate root growth. This is a simple yet highly effective ingredient that helps the plant recover quickly. I'll chop the aloe vera leaf into small pieces like this, then place it all into a blender. Add 500 milliliters of clean water and blend the mixture thoroughly. After blending, I use a sieve to filter out the pulp, keeping only the clear aloe vera liquid. careful filtering ensures the solution isn't too thick, allowing it to penetrate the roots easily and preventing clogging in the plant's growing environment. Next, I'll soak the wilted leaves of the plant in this aloe vera solution for about 20 minutes. The solution provides essential moisture, soothes dehydrated leaves, and helps the plant absorb nutrients faster, promoting a natural recovery process. Next, I prepare a clean cup and pour 500 milliliters of clean water into it. The next ingredient I use is honey. Though very simple, honey contains many minerals and natural sugars that stimulate beneficial microorganisms and speed up the orchid's recovery process, especially when combined with aloe vera. You only need to add about 1 small teaspoon of honey like this. This small amount is enough to provide nutrients to the plant without causing fermentation or harming the roots. After adding the honey, stir well until it completely dissolves in the water. After soaking the orchid in the aloe vera solution for about 20 minutes, I gently remove the plant. Then, I mix the filtered aloe vera liquid with the honey solution to create a complete nutrient recovery mixture. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1. This is an excellent supplement that stimulates new root growth, reduces shock after root pruning, and speeds up the recovery process. I add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the solution. Each tablet contains 2.5 milligrams, and this small amount is sufficient to support root development and help the plant absorb nutrients better without causing harm. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After mixing, I'll pour the solution into a clean cup and soak the orchid's roots in it for about 20 minutes. The remaining solution can be used to water other orchid pots in your garden. The mixture of honey, aloe vera, and vitamin B1 has the ability to naturally stimulate new root growth. When the roots are adequately nourished, the orchid will recover quickly and grow healthier. Regularly watering with this mixture also enhances the orchid's resilience. The plant will be better able to resist fungal diseases and adverse environmental changes. When watering the orchid's base with the aloe vera, honey, and vitamin B1 mixture, each ingredient plays a crucial role in reviving and nourishing the plant from within. Aloe vera, also known as aloe, provides natural moisture and contains many enzymes and amino acids that help roots recover faster, especially after pruning or damage. Additionally, aloe vera has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, protecting roots from environmental stressors. Honey is a fantastic natural energy source for orchids. It contains numerous minerals and natural sugars that support root tissue recovery and nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, the silent helpers that promote sustainable plant growth. Finally, vitamin B1 is essential for orchids after repotting or damage. B1 helps reduce shock, stimulates new root growth, and enhances nutrient absorption. Even a small amount delivers significant results. When these three ingredients combine, they create a very gentle yet highly effective natural fertilizer mixture, helping the orchid recover safely, develop a healthy root system, and prepare for the next blooming cycle. After soaking the roots in the solution for about 20 minutes, gently remove the orchid. Next, use a soft cloth to absorb any remaining liquid on the leaf surfaces and in the crevices between leaves. This step is crucial as it prevents moisture buildup, a common cause of leaf rot or fungal diseases. Additionally, wiping the leaves dry keeps the plant clean and dry before repotting, creating the most favorable conditions for recovery and healthier growth after repotting. When repotting, choose a pot with drainage holes at the bottom to ensure aeration and prevent root waterlogging. To line the bottom of the pot, I'll use a few small foam pieces like these. Next, I'll use crushed pine bark as the main growing medium for the orchid this time. After placing the orchid in the pot, I'll gently add the pine bark around the base. When doing this, be very careful, lightly holding the base while adjusting the pine bark to avoid damaging the roots. The goal is to gently surround the roots with the medium while ensuring enough space for air circulation, a critical factor for healthy root growth after repotting. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Use an iron rod to secure the plant, preventing it from wobbling. Finally, I'll place a small amount of moss on the pot's surface. This moss layer helps retain moisture around the base, creating a cooler and more stable environment for the plant in the early days after repotting. You can also use the remaining natural fertilizer solution, the same mixture used to soak the roots, to lightly water the base of the newly repotted plant. This not only supplements nutrients to the medium, but also helps the roots quickly adapt and grow healthily in the new pot. During the recovery phase after repotting, place the orchid pot in a cool, airy spot with soft light. Gentle light helps the plant photosynthesize gradually without losing too much moisture. Results. After 3 weeks, you can clearly see that the leaves are less wilted than before. Not only that, new leaves have started growing from the stem. This is a very positive sign, showing that the plant is gradually recovering and beginning to absorb water and nutrients to regain vitality. Additionally, new roots have started growing around the orchid's base, proving that the plant is adapting well to the new environment. Currently, I continue to apply the natural fertilizer every 10 days. This regular supplementation helps the plant maintain a stable nutrient supply, supporting strong root growth, keeping leaves lush and healthy, and encouraging earlier blooming. Remember to place the orchid pot in a cool spot with soft light, avoiding harsh sunlight. Gentle morning light will help the plant photosynthesize more effectively, promoting root and leaf development. What do you think about how I revived this little orchid? Don't hesitate to leave a comment below and share your thoughts or experiences. I'm eager to hear your feedback. Results. After 3 months, you can see that, with this care method, the orchid has truly revived and developed very well. The stem has become sturdier, many new leaves have grown, and the previously wilted leaves have fully recovered. Notably, flower buds have started growing again. By continuing to apply this method regularly, the plant will soon accumulate enough energy to bloom again in no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Wonder Garden to stay updated with more orchid care tips. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. I'd love to read and chat with you. Thank you for watching, and may your garden always be full of vibrant flowers.